Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm just going to get to it. My quick analysis of my basically critiquing and feedback of my sketch for this page. So this took me 3 minutes 20 seconds and both sketch number 2 and sketch number 3 took me 2.5 minutes, utilising the good speed, geometric and observational methods along with quick sketching. Now, in doing all these learning methods and combining them, I have dramatically effectively improved my sketching very quickly. I'll show you one that I done about 8 months ago. So really out of proportion and heavy on the lines. I was labouring over certain areas. So not the greatest of things, greatest of results. And then I get to these results and it's less lines, not labouring over one area and creating them very quickly. These previous sketches took me about 10 minutes each. So yeah, better time spent somewhere else, and that was improving my time, my accuracy, ratios, and improving the foundations and layout of my future art pieces, which right now I'm just wanting to get proportions and speed. So I'm getting there using these learn methods. Please let me know if you have utilised them. That would be amazing. And also contact me if you want any more information on this. And I shall see you next time. Bye guys.